Yes, people, check this out for a blast from the past. This is my wheels from back in the day, this puppy. RD 125 LC. Holding in my Cosworth, this. Yeah, I started it 5 years ago. Parked it up about 22, 23 years ago. It's been in the shed with a throw over it. But as you can see, look at the state of it. Everything must be seized. You'd probably need to touch every nut and bolt. All the chrome's gone funny. What's the mile on it? That's probably a lot in motorbike miles, isn't it? You don't even get a lucky petrol cap. Yeah, this, well, I'll let the tax disc say it all. Yeah, if you're on my channel for a Cosworth, you probably appreciate this. Rife for a restoration, isn't it? Wonder how much it costs to do it. You'd have to touch everything on it though. The whole lot would be knackered. Yeah, I've got a bolt for the kickstart. And I bought a headlight. I bought a headlight. Yeah, you need to see if the engine runs and change the oil maybe before buying headlights, mate. But yeah, could do a little thing on this, I think. Yeah, it's a bit how you doing this side. I think this is up a Mark II. But yeah, it has a nose cone as well. You can have a nose cone on it and a bit of a visor on it, but I think it looked better with a twin headlight. Yeah, that's how I used to roll, man. I had a TZR 125 as well at the same time, but it had like single seat and red and white fairing. If I find a picture, I'll insert it. But yeah, you know, back in the day, this was a force to be reckoned with. Yeah, you could have like Honda Melody, like a beige little moped, Honda Express with wire wheels. You'd have a Club 90, but this was king of the ring, mate. King of the ring. Yeah, first the liquid cools. It's got a radiator on it. Jesus, imagine what the coolant's like in it. Ooh, that's what I mean. It'd be corroded. I've no idea if the numbers match on the engine or anything like, but yeah, I might do a bit of content on it. Could at least see if it starts, couldn't we? Show you what I did last time. I don't know what was up with the petrol tank or whatever, but I just tied that in the air, put petrol in the carburetor and it started. So yeah, it could be a thing. Could be a thing. Oh. It's probably knackered in there, isn't it? It's just in all the spray paint on it. It's been yellow, it's been white. I have to show any torch in there. Oh, not the best of smells coming from in there. But yeah, that was it. This was my mean machine, this, with the old Micron. Yeah, RD 125.